What's up? This is GoPro0125 and I'm doing a bike check. Right, I'll start the grips. These are Odyssey Aeronos keypad grips. See some letters there, and the shape of it you can see. Exposure brake lever, pretty nice. God knows what brake cable. Exposure probably, I think so, because it's got the exposure brake arm. The exposure, no, I think Odyssey brake pads there. I've got a don't know what it says there. Anybody that read that thing right there? God knows what it is. Alienation rim, black as you see. Got stolen mob cranks, black. If you don't see that, that is black. Got PC pedals, plastic, and they've got metal studs on them. Like that. Bloody hurts when you hit the shin. Shin there. They've got leader people seat, pivotal, obviously. I got a chrome Sonic link chain. If you cannot see that, you can't see it, I don't think so. It's not gold, it is chrome. I've got a white 25-piece sprocket, stolen, I think. Yeah, it is. Eastern frame, turquoise or eggshell blue, whatever you want to bloody call it. Front hub, don't know. Alienation rim on the front, you can see that. Tyres fit, I think. Stem, I don't know. Sorry guys. The forks are Pro Light Blade with Pro Light Blade forks. Got a Diatch headset, you can see there, just here. I got Shino Eco bars, white, and I've got forks of white as well, if you can't say. I think that just now about sums up my bike check. Thanks for watching, man.